Assalamualaikum. My name is Syafiqa binti Abdul Malek and my metric number is S47092. My project title on language and land-land relationship of Faunus otter from Merchang Lagoon, Marang, Terengganu. This is my species, which is Faunus otter and known as Davis snakes. According to Dust et al. 2018, Faunus otter live in tropical brackish water habitats. Because Faunus otter is a biomonitoring organism, which is sedentary or less mobile. It is reasonable size of analysis and repeatable samplings. According to Yap et al. 2010, it is important source of protein and seafood. My problem is the ecology of Faunus otter at Merchang Lagoon are poorly known, as lack data of research about study on language and land-land relationship of Faunus otter. My objective is to determine the language and land-land relationship of Faunus otter from Merchang Lagoon, Marang, Terengganu. This study was conducted at Merchang Lagoon in October 2019 before monsoon and February 2020 after monsoon. LIT technique was used with 2 sampling stations and pre-replicated were taken in each station. All the samples were collected and put into the Ziploc bag. YSI multi-parameter was used for record the physico-chemical parameters of water. This is the picture on before monsoon. This is a picture of after monsoon. Legwork. Total length and length from the top of the shell to the aperture of each individual was measured using digital vernier caliper. And then total weight of each individual was measured using analytical balance. And all the data was recorded in Microsoft Excel. Data analysis using Microsoft Excel. For the result, a total of 1,983 individuals have been collected and analyzed for language and land-land relationship from Station 1 and Station 2. This is the result for physical-chemical parameter. The temperature was changes from 28.9 degrees Celsius to 31.8 degrees Celsius. The highest pH value was 8.03 at Station 2 before monsoon, while the lowest was 7.37 at Station 1 after monsoon. For the highest salinity was 28.83 PSU at Station 2 after monsoon, while the lowest was 21.35 PSU at Station 1 before monsoon. For the highest dissolved oxygen was 5.59 mg per liter at Station 2, while the lowest was 4.52 mg per liter at Station 1 before monsoon. This is the result for the size frequency. Total length range between 35.5 to 45.5 mm was highest, and little number of frequency range between 65.5 to 75.5 mm. This is the graph for the language relationship. From the graph, I know that the highest p-value of language relationship was 1.69 at Station 2 after monsoon, while the lowest was 1.39 at Station 2 before monsoon. Coefficient of determination highest was 0.83 at Station 1 after monsoon. B values provide information on growth. According to Sturgeon 2002, the Faunus otter all indicated negative allometric growth. R square determines the relationship between log total length and total weight. This is the graph of length-length relationship. From the graph, I know that the R square of length-length relationship height correlated, which is 0.74 at Station 1 after monsoon. For the conclusion, 930 individuals from Station 1 and 1,053 individuals from Station 2 were analyzed for their language relationship before and after monsoon. From the result, all the Faunus otter were negative allometric growth, which is less than 3. Consider their growth was focused on length compared with their weight. All the Faunus otter were highly significant on length-length relationship. For those who want to do this experiment, must improve their study on sampling every month for a year and then added more sampling station at Mershang Lagoon. This is my reference and this is my Gantt chart. That's all from me. Thank you.